Tired of those dreaded dead zones in your home Wi-Fi coverage? Let's fix that in under 2 minutes with the Verizon Wi-Fi Extender Mini. First, unbox your Verizon Wi-Fi Extender Mini. You'll find the extender itself and a quick setup guide. Make sure your Verizon router is already up and running before we begin. Now, plug the extender into a power outlet. Ideally, choose an outlet that's about halfway between your Verizon router and the area where you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi signal. Don't plug it in right next to the router, as that defeats the purpose. Next, locate the WPS button on your Verizon router. It usually has the letters WPS printed next to it, or a symbol that looks like 2 arrows chasing each other. Press and hold this WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi Extender Mini. It's located on the side of the device. Again, hold it down for 2 to 3 seconds. Watch the light on the extender. It will likely blink while it's connecting. Once it turns solid green, that means the extender is successfully synced with your router. Now, move the extender to its final location, again keeping it halfway between your router and the day zone. Wait a few minutes for it to reconnect. Check the Wi-Fi signal on your devices in the previously weak area. You should now have a much stronger and more reliable connection.